Krishami, we have an external disaster alert from the titanium. They informed like that more than 20 people are there in victims. There is a gas leakage from.
Okay, there is a gas leak and we are going to receive more than 20 victims. Yes. Did you check the reliability of the source? Okay, so you're sure that there is a mass casualty which has happened outside. Okay, so we need to prepare ourselves. Just please inform that everybody that we are going to receive a mass casualty. Okay, I will alert everybody that there is a mass casualty which is happened. Attention please, this is an external disaster alert. All are requested to stand by. Attention please, this is an external disaster alert. All are requested to stand by.
An external disaster alert was announced.
Okay, I think you don't know about external disaster. See, this is something like a mass casualty where we are going to receive multiple patients to ER. So we have got already an alert saying that there is a gas leak incident which has happened at Titanium and there is an industrial accident which has happened at KINFRA Industrial Park. So now the next thing is we are going to receive multiple patients to our emergency. So the expected victims are at around 20 to 25. So that many victims which we are going to receive. So what we need to do now is we need to prepare ourselves. The first thing what you have to do is we need to clear the whole ER. The whole ER is full. So that means we need to make space for the outside people who's coming in. So what you need to do is whatever the stable patients are there, please discharge all the patients. And sick patients, there is actually a trauma ICU and multidisciplinary ICU has been arranged. So you can move those patients there. We have already given an alert. So all the hospital and everybody knows that this incident has happened outside and we are going to receive multiple patients. We need to clear the ER as soon as possible. And please remember that there are multiple areas have been getting created now. So you know that our triage bay, but our triage is not the triage which is acting during a mass casualty. You have seen the ambulance bay outside. See, ambulance bay outside is the triage which is happening now. Okay. Then this is the red zone. That is all the critical patients actually will be received here. And you have an yellow zone, that is your ortho OPD area. That will be acting as an yellow zone. That is semi-critical patients will be moved there. You have a green zone, that is your second level medicine OPD. So there we will be receiving all the green zone ambulatory patients. Please remember that there is a command center, that is your MERC, which is also getting created. But all of them know that who has to man the MERC communication center and those areas where they will be handling all the communication from the respective areas. Please remember one more point that is very, very important, how to document during a mass casualty. So please remember that we don't use EMR or any electronic medical records. I will show you the files and the tags which you have to put it. So only the files which we have to document during a mass casualty. And I think the pharmacy, lab, biomedical, all the team will be usually coming here to the emergency medicine department to help us out during a mass casualty. And all the equipments and the consumable is there in the disaster kit. So disaster kit also will be mobilized here. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now I will tell you which are the tags which you have to put it and how the manual file which looks like during a mass casualty. See, during a mass casualty we will be using manual files and we will be having different tags which is red, green, yellow tags will be there. So I think we have already seen the mass casualty, different areas, the disaster kits which you have already seen.
Sir, I think our first victim has arrived.
Okay, yeah, then I think let's go to the triage first. what you witnessed here was an external disaster mock drill which we conducted in collaboration with the Titanium and the KINFRA Industrial Park. So did you understand how the disaster will be functioning and external disaster will be going on?
Yes, sir.
So I sincerely thank Dr. I Sahadulla sir. He is a group chairman and managing director. I also thank Dr. Suhara madam. She is a constant support to an emergency medicine department. I also thank all the officials of Titanium and KINFRA Industry Park who collaborated with us, and all the officials of KIMSHEALTH who always supported us to conduct this mock drill. Thank you.